In a bustling city, a man named Alex found a mysterious watch labeled Pulse of Fate at a flea market. Intrigued, he bought it, hoping for some excitement. The vendor winked. "It'll change your life." The next day, Alex noticed the watch, ticking faster whenever he was near his boss. "Is it predicting my future?" he wondered. Determined to test it, he approached his crush, Lily. The watch ticked wildly. "It must mean something big," he thought. Just then, Lily sneezed, and the watch stopped. "Bless you," Alex chuckled. "Guess fate's allergic to romance."